can be grateful. Do you know why? Let me tell you my reason why. He keeps on blessing me. Thank you, Lord. He keeps on blessing me. He keeps on blessing me. Over and over again. If y'all don't mind, help me say, He keeps on blessing me. I have no doubt in my mind. He keeps on blessing me. Make no mistake about it. It ain't nobody but Jesus. Over and over again. Christian, listen to this. What a gift we have to share His love. Oh, thank you, Lord. And independently we live on nothing but His grace. Yesterday is gone, but today He holds out His hand, telling us to come to Him and He'll bless us if we'd only take a stand. Let me say it again. He keeps on blessing me. I have no doubt in my mind. It ain't nobody but Jesus. Oh, oh, oh. He keeps on blessing me. Over and over again. I have another thing I want to tell you. I've strayed away so many times before, and there were so many times I didn't do right, but you gave me strength to go on.
I used to wake up some days and wish I stayed asleep, 'cause I went to bed on top of the world's on top of me. Now everybody's got opinions. I ain't feeling like a city. My heart is what they have to say about me.
One of us took all the important phone calls we received. We are going to yes. You see, so if a call is ultra important, then please take it outside. Don't answer it in here, answer it outside. We have asked the muntu often unikhombisa ukuthi khona ikhona engenile. Ayibambela, hello, ngiyaphuma semcembeni siyabuzwa nje. Ususiphazamisile already. Uyabo? Don't even answer it, answer it phandle. And then we're going to give ultimate respect to our guest of honor, which is why I want to make sure that all of us are seated before we welcome the guest of honor. Also, all of us are then going to stand up, right? Countdown. Can we do the countdown? Are you ready? Right, let's all move. 5, what? 4, was 3, was you know when young people are about to have a party, we know how to party, right? Yes. Right, let's do this. One teacher's going to play a back track and then this is a mother and daughter show. Can I tell you? Unhlanhlo is mother to Umbali, and Unhlanhlo has been singing all her life, and then she has taught her daughter to sing, and you are going to hear magic. Wow. you. We may be seated. Thank you. Shall we give a warm round of applause? A warm round of applause to that grand entrance. A beautiful grand entrance. So now